great. Now this is the game that everybody sees on TikTok. Right, so all you need to do, starting, you hold down, and then bam. It looks so much better on TikTok. I don't get why. Like, what is the goal of it?
Yung flooring nila doon
Just have to wait. Come on.
sa kusina at saka dito pantay lang.
Okay, good.
Yung sa kwarto. Oo.
And I mean, this game is great. Now this is the game that everybody sees on TikTok. Right, so all you need to do, starting, you hold down, and then I got full max out netherite ammo, bro. I'm not scared of anything, bro.
You say you play Super Adventure United.
Doon sa tindahan. Wala si tita niya. Sa kwarto doon. Ayun ba? Ito saging. Ito.
Kainin mo yung gulaman.
Wait. Just in case there's any monsters down there.
Felix jumped.
Inumin mo na lang yung kwan. Yan yung tubig.
Harap. Alam din ni Aden na bawal sa kanyang matas.
Have you ever made a pizza?
Ang lagyan niya ito. No! Bawal sa'yo ng gatas, no?
We don't use tomato in pizza. Let me do it. Oreo pizza.
Isn't the pizza burned?
The crispier the better.
Ano mo na?
Inumin mo lang. Inumin mo.
Oh, nakita mo gabak?
Sarap, no? Inumin mo na rin yung alin.
Ha?
Oo, si Ate Lucy.
Hmm?
Tulad sila dito.